Welcome to the Patriot Experience. In this video, I have the super cheap Mauser K98 from 1943. It is a BYF 43, and relatively it's in decent condition. It is missing nearly all of the bluing. None of the parts are matching. The Waffen stamps have all been defaced, but it is in relatively good shape and it's a good shooter. It's also missing the cleaning rod and the notorious hood for the sight. So I ordered some remanufactured ones, and I'm going to show you how to put those on. Sorry for the little break of the show here. YouTube decided to take down my first upload of this video because, and I quote, it featured content that facilitates the sale of certain regulated goods like firearms, ammunition, or prohibited firearm accessories isn't allowed on YouTube. Sights and cleaning rods are nowhere near what is listed in the community guidelines. So I just want to clearly say that I am not selling or trying to sell or get anyone to buy anything related to firearms. This is just a video showing how I took my specific rifle and made it look more historically accurate. Thank you. Now, back to the show. So for the cleaning rod, there's just a little hole here down at the bottom. Slip it down in until it stops and you screw it in. Just like so. Now that's the real easy way, the real easy one. And there are two different sizes. I think they come in 10.5 and 12.5. So research and see which one you need. And then the hood sight, which is actually pretty hard to do. But I found a really neat trick here, right here on YouTube. You take a 7/16 and a 3/8 wrench, and you're just going to stick them in here and you're going to prime apart. Now you want to get kind of high on it so you can get the most leverage. And then you put them in there backwards like so. And you just pull them together and prime apart. Just like that, you can see the bottom opening up. And it goes on a groove. There's grooves right here on the front sight. And you just got to open it up far enough to get the bottom on the grooves. I did go ahead and take the bolt out and make sure it's clear just so none of you fuds think that I'm pointing a loaded gun at myself. So we just slip our wrench in here. It's going to take you a few tries. You probably won't get it on your first one. If you do, props to you. You got to get them perfectly lined up to where they won't slip off of one another. And then pry it apart just far enough. Slip it in those grooves. And then once you get it started on there, you can just push it. It's going to take some force because it goes on there real tight. You don't want it flying off. If it's not wanting to go on very good, double check that you are in your grooves and not on the side. What I ended up doing was taking the flat part of your wrench here and just pushing against the side hood until it was all the way on. You know it's all the way on whenever it's flush on the front and the front and then the back here. It won't be perfectly flush, but it'll be really, really, really close. And while this isn't a perfect looking gun, it looks a lot better with that front side hood and the cleaning rod. Better than it did without. Of course, the sight rod has bluing, and this is some sort of bluing as well. And it doesn't look as good as this one, which this whole rifle is still has most of its bluing on it. And that side hood and the cleaning rod fit really well. They don't really stick out. But that is it on dressing up this rifle. It does make it look a lot better, and for like 30 bucks or even cheaper depending where you find your parts here, you can really improve the look of your K98. If you too want to be a patriot, go ahead and subscribe and follow along the gun videos. We have a lot of stuff coming up, do a lot of fun stuff. This channel kind of revolves around old military rifles, so if you like old military rifles, go ahead and subscribe and you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.